20th today.
So we have 1 week.
1 week. 22nd, your lordships may put it off to. Well, I am inclined to also making a submission
Okay,
in
then
case.
we'll have it on 22nd. 22nd, Mr. Srina?
Yes. They have
22nd, it's going, hall tickets are going to be issued on 22nd as per 119 material paper.
Huh?
All tickets will be issued on 22nd onwards.
because
This as per schedule.
I have the schedule, which
Page
is.
119, my lord, I placed material.
So
Then your
that will-
lordship may take it up tomorrow at 2:15.
all right.
Because this
Tomorrow
is
at
within,
2:15.
yes, tomorrow at
it's okay.
2:15.
Tomorrow at 2:15.
Millets, may I just make one submission, Millets?
Yes, yes.
Kindly look at page 93, paragraph 54, 1 minute, Supreme Court judgment.
Page 93.
Paragraph 54.
But we are with you for the time being.
No, Millets, this contention as urged by the learned advocate general is emanating from the notification issued by NCT, which was quashed by the Supreme Court. That's what I'm trying to say. There is no
Oh.
question of making any concessions in this. 54, kindly have a look at.
54, yes, yes.
The inclusion of B.Ed as a qualification was done by the notification dated 28/6/2018, which was impugned before the Rajasthan High Court. This notification is reproduced below. Then a lordship may omit on that page. Kindly go to the next page. 2. In the said notification in para 3 for subpara 2A, the following subpara shall be substituted, namely, who has acquired the qualification of Bachelor of Education from NCTA recognized institution shall be considered for appointment as a teacher in classes 1 to 5, provided the person so appointed as a teacher shall mandatorily undergo a 6 months bridge course in elementary education recognized by NCTE within 2 years of such appointment as a primary teacher. When this was the notification of NCTE itself, the Supreme Court quashed this notification. Even if the state is going to tell your lordships that there are so many advantages or disadvantages, is no answer for this. Even otherwise, kindly look at section 2N Millett for 1 second, or the Right to Education Act.
Let us
2N Millett, that you also could get it at page 133. N is at page 134. Well, it's at 134, you'll also put find N, school means definition. School means any recognized school imparting elementary education, and this includes a school established, owned or controlled by the appropriate government or a local authority, an aided school receiving aid or grants to meet whole or any part of the expenses from the appropriate government or the local authority, a school belonging to specified category, an unaided school not receiving any kind of grant or grants to meet expenses from the appropriate government or local authority. Then
All right.
kindly section 23 for 1 second.
Section
23 minutes.
23.
Qualifications for appointment and terms of conditions of service of teachers. Now, any person possessing such minimum qualifications as laid down by the academic authority authorized by the central government by notification shall be eligible for appointment as a teacher. So the only authority to prescribe qualifications is NCTE. State can't meddle with it. State doesn't even have a power. They may have a bridge course for 2 years or 10 years. It doesn't make them eligible for being appointed as a teacher for elementary schools.
So who has the power?
Power, central government has conferred it on NCTE.
Now NCTE also supports B.Ed,
That was
And
passed
that was
by
passed by the Supreme Court.
and the NCTE is not talking about any bridge courses. That is what you mean to say.
They are
Yes.
talking about the bridge course. My lord.
Huh?
That is the circular itself that was set aside by the Honorable Apex Court.
And in the present case, the bridge course as is being suggested, or online training or on-job training is not at all approved by
Permissible.
NCTE.
It is not permissible at all. It runs
Anyway,
contrary-
so we'll give some time to the learned advocate general. We'll take it up tomorrow, but in the meantime, don't issue hall tickets to B.Ed students.
One sufficient. Your hall tickets is anyways going to commence only on 22nd. For this reason, I'm indicating to your lordships.
From 22nd.
On
No,
22nd.
not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. I'll only indicate so that your
So
lordship
tomorrow,
will come
we'll
to.
take it up tomorrow.
Because the bridge course that is being spoken of by the Learned Senior Council is not the same as the apprenticeship.
No.
These are two
There's
additional
one-
things.
There's one difficulty, Mr. Advocate General. When you said B.Ed, Supreme Court found fault with it, saying it is
I have
a
the
different education. It's a different kind of training. And Supreme Court also went into the question of whether
Course can be a
which
substitute.
course can be substitute, and said it is not a substitute. Effectively, it is not a substitute. In such a situation, whether it's whatever name we may give it,
This is what we are proposing, subject to it. What we are proposing is 6-month bridge course, and in addition to that, a 2-year online diploma course.
This
that
may
you
not
have to-
be
Very good.
on the job learning is.
Very
So these children are not to be experimented with by B.Ed.
Yes. That
qualified,
in any event, even if we were to agree with you, we are bound by what the.
No, your lordship. No, as I am. So therefore, my lords, tomorrow, perhaps now that it's more or less over, your lordship may take it up regularly in the morning itself. Perhaps I'll conclude my submissions in the morning.
All right, tomorrow.
Very good.
May I have high up on the board minutes?
Yes.
Will at some fixed time because I'm away.
Oh,
Plus, from what I have in my mind, tomorrow Mr. Arnandro may not be called.
tomorrow, Mr. Learned Advocate General may as well concede in the
I would be
morning.
on his side if what goes.
Tomorrow morning, we'll take it up first case.
Very well.
I'm blessed.
Millet's looking at Mr. Shriram for all these 20 years, Millet, I have never seen him conceding a case. This is on the lighter side.
Well, my concession is also a little aggressive is what he's saying, but that is how I am.
Anyway.
I'm grateful.
All right, next.